अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Today we have the first class of Arabic course, and we will inshallah discuss about the things what we have to do right now, like from where we have to start. From the beginning, we already done about the Kickstart course regarding knowing about the Sar, Tasarif, and other things. But that would be your basic Arabic, which you have learned, guys. But apart of that, I will start from the beginning as well. So step by step, we will work on understanding that how the way we can start working on the grammar and understanding the Arabic. First of all, we need to understand that how many kind of Arabic language, like in any language, either it would be Arabic, English, or Urdu, or any other language. Language have the different kinds, like spoken is there is a spoken and there is standard or something like that. So we have the Arabic types. Like for instance, you can say it's a spoken one. Wait a minute. Yes, first one is spoken. Second one is first of all, let me know, am I audible to you?
जी
Yes?
जी
Yes.
All right. Jazakallah khair. Standard, say, the first category is spoken, and other one is standard, and third one is we can say it's classical. So, do you guys know about what's the difference between both all of these three? Can you please tell me after unmuting yourself that from these three, how can we elaborate? How can we discriminate in between all of these?
No, miss.
Give it a try.
Spoken is which is spoken among the people of Arab, which is like our Urdu. जैसे हम सिंपली बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स जो पहले उर्दू में इस्तेमाल होते हैं बुक्स के अंदर होते हैं वैसे नहीं बोलते ना।
जी
तो स्पोकन ये है। और स्टैंडर्ड यू कैन से आई थिंक द लैंग्वेज ऑफ कुरान एंड or in books or in the book. And classical is the old Arabic,
uh,
which is
tell me
now
one thing.
now almost obsolete.
Tell me one thing. What do you think that spoken, standard, and classical में क्या difference है? How can we discriminate if we can trying to understand that? Okay, which kind of difference in between all of these three? Okay, let me tell you. See, spoken क्या होती है कि हमने सबसे पहले first of all we need to understand that Arabic अल्लाह ताला ने जब कुरान रिवील किया है तो वो जो अरबिक जो अरब जो इलाका था वहाँ पे सिर्फ अरबिक ही बोली जाती थी, ठीक है? एंड दैट लैंग्वेज वाज स्पेसिफिकली implemented on that particular area. There were multiple civilizations around the globe, but they didn't know about the Arabic language, right? So at that time, whatever they had, the dense and ancient language regarding understanding the Arab classical Arab, that was called the classical Arabic, like which would be dense and rich content. Like we can say in our Urdu language, if we would say कि शकील उर्दू जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि बड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट उर्दू है, अगर हम पोइट्री देखें या हम अपनी बैकग्राउंड में जाएं तो हमारी भी लैंग्वेजेस के जो मतलब लैंग्वेज का जो एक ओरिजिन होता है ना, जिस ओरिजिन से लैंग्वेज आ रही होती है वो बड़ा कंडेंस होता है। लाइक हम कहते हैं कि खलील जिब्रान और जो इंग्लिश जो पोएट्स हैं या ऑथर्स हैं उनकी वो ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेजेस के अंदर वो अपना कंटेंट लिखते थे। वो बड़ा रिच और कंडेंस होता है। So that is called the, like, you can say this is the original language content. तो क्लासिकल इज कॉल्ड, क्लासिकल कंटेंट जो है वो अरबिक, जो अल्लाह ताला ने कुरान रिवील किया वो वाली लैंग्वेज है। उसी लैंग्वेज के अंदर जो है वो काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो हमने सीखनी है, विच वुड बी समटाइम्स there might be some difficulty to understand, and there are a lot of complexities to understand this language. So we need to, like, we in my class we will discover spoken and classical both. We have 3 classes in a week, and like, in the beginning of the week 2 classes would be about grammar, and third class would be about spoken. So I would try my level best that we can easily understand all of the things, and gradually and simultaneously we will discover the classical language towards understanding the Quran. All right. सो बिल्कुल इजी करके मैं आपको अगर बताऊं, स्पोकन में जो जैसे हम नेटिव बोल रहे होते हैं ना, तो हम कहीं भी चले जाएं, आप देखें पाकिस्तान के अंदर फैसलाबाद, लाहौर, कराची, हर जगह पे उर्दू ही बोली जाती है, बट उर्दू की कैटेगरीज हैं। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्पोकन। एंड स्टैंडर्ड क्या होती है, जैसे आर्टिकल्स लिखे हुए हैं, अब इंग्लिश में आप देखेंगे मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज जो है वो मॉडर्न वर्ड्स डिस्कवर किए जा रहे हैं, एक्सप्लोर किए जा रहे हैं, तो नए नए न्यू न्यू वोकेबलरी जो है वो डिस्कवर हो रही है, और उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जा रहा है। तो दैट वुड बी स्टैंडर्ड एंड मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज। एंड क्लासिकल, विच आई टोल्ड यू दैट एंशियंट, लाइक इसका जो बैकग्राउंड है, जो ओरिजिन आ रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द क्लासिकल। सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द लैंग्वेज, and here we are, just for the sake of learning the Arabic language. So here it is. Let's move on. Okay. Uh, After that, let's think about it, that how can we learn the Arabic? First of all, we need to understand that how would we learn Arabic? Like, for instance, in Arabic there are 2 things which we have to learn. What do we call that? No and surf. Do you know about it? Do you have any idea about this?
No, miss.
No is all about the grammar, and surf is also a part of grammar, but we let me give you an idea to differentiate in between no and surf. No क्या होता है ये? It is all about the grammar, all right? और इसके अंदर we need to, like, you can say no using the right kind of word in the right kind of sentences. Like, जैसे हम ये कहें कि फॉर इंस्टेंस, मैं एक सेकेंड में यहाँ पर आपको लिख कर दिखाती हूँ। जैसे मैं कोई सेंटेंस बनाती हूँ, फॉर इंस्टेंस लेट मी राइट डाउन, आई एम, एक सेकेंड, आई एम अ टीचर, ओके, माई subjects are English and Arabic, and these subjects taught by me. I'm just giving you an idea to understand the no and serve difference. These subjects taught by me. All right. So look, here in English, I am saying I am a teacher. My subjects are, so आप ये देख रहे हैं कि ये I, my और me all are same. These are used for me to elaborate about me. Are you getting it? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If I would use here instead of I, if I would use my am a teacher, and if I would use here instead of my I, subjects are English, and if these subjects taught by my, yeah, I. So is it correct? Yes, tell me.
No,
Would it be correct?
no, it's not.
No,
No, miss.
exactly. So in this way, in Arabic, we need to see the no, the proper way to the like towards understanding the right kind of words to make a sentence in the particular thing. Like I need to know that how the way I would going to make a sentence in Arabic. If I would use my am a teacher, I subjects are, so this is not correct. All right. So this is the no. You can understand this word that this is called no, like complete grammatical things we need to understand, including all of the things. And surf is all about the, who will tell me surf? Do you know about it? Just using the right word. Surf is like, for instance, it's kind of, uh, you can say, अगर मैं कोई वर्ड लिख रही हूँ तो वो वर्ड करेक्ट होना चाहिए। जैसे हमने तसारीफ की है ना, आपने प्रीवियस जो हमारी क्लासेस थी उसमें तसारीफ पढ़ी थी। अगर मैं कह रही हूँ अजहबू तो मुझे अजहबू ही कहना है, मैं तजहबू या यजहबू नहीं कह सकती। आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सर्फ। आगे जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू मोर clearly so you can easily understand. For now, you can just think about it that we are like, you can say harder things to learn about classicals are no and surf. This is the harder thing because this is the thing which through which we understand how do we spell and about how the word is spelled and the sentence कैसे काम करता है। इसी तरह जो सर्फ है, सर्फ भी सर्फ जो है ना हमें वर्ड अंडरस्टैंड करने में मदद देता है। जैसे नौ हम नौ जो है ना हम अपने जो भी सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उसको हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि हमने करेक्ट लिखा है कि नहीं। जैसे आई एम अ टीचर, इंस्टेड ऑफ आई अगर मैं माई लिख देती हूँ तो दिस वुड नॉट बी अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड, सो इट वुड बी इनकरेक्ट। Likewise, we need to see. I hope you got it. If there would be any question, please ask. I would glad if I could have it could have explained with the clarity about no and surf. Please, any question about that?
नाउ और सर्फ में कोई सेपरेशन अभी तक मुझे ऐसा नहीं अंडरस्टैंड हुई, यानी अगर करेक्ट आप कह रहे हैं ना कि जैसे अजहबू ही यूज करना है और तजहबू नहीं, तो वो तो ग्रामर में ही आ जाता है ना,
इट्स अ पार्ट
लाइक
ऑफ ग्रामर,
नहव में ही
इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रामर, बट देखें नौ जो है उसमें हमने देखना है हमने सेंटेंस कैसे बनाया है। सेंटेंस की जो सेंस है ना वो करेक्ट होनी चाहिए। लेकिन सर्फ में हम सिर्फ वर्ड को देखते हैं, हाउ वर्ड इज स्पेल्ड। ओके, बस ये डिफरेंस है दोनों का। ऑल राइट। अच्छा, उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ अरबिक। लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस अभी हमने लैंग्वेज के बारे में पढ़ा है, वो नहीं, हमने जो है ना देखना है कि अरबिक लैंग्वेज के अंदर हमारे पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं। लाइक देयर वुड बी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश। डू वी नो अबाउट इट? यस।
यस।
And as well as we also think that these are also parts of speech if we would tell about the Arabic, like it is called a word, type of word. We would say types of word, या इसको कहते हैं हम कलिमा। जी, हम कहते हैं इसको कलिमा। और कलिमे की कितनी किस्में होती हैं? लाइक देयर आर, अगर हम कहें कि अरबिक में हमारे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कितने होते हैं, डू यू नो अबाउट इट?
See, some fail.
Exactly. Ism or next, fail,
Fail.
uh, और हर्फ. हर्फ. ठीक है. अब ये मुझे बताएं कि हमारी कितनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है इसम को समझने की. सबसे पहले हम हर्फ पे आ जाते हैं. पहले हम हर्फ को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. यस, कौन मुझे बताएगा? हु विल टेल मी अबाउट टू अंडरस्टैंड द हर्फ, दैट हाउ कैन वी elaborate about harf if we talk about in the Arabic?
Harf is a connecting words.
You can say these are connecting words, but also we can say that harf is a word which has no sense or meaning unless any other word will come out after it. Like for instance, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ सुमेरा do, नहीं, मैं आपसे कहूँ आप मुझसे पूछें कि आप आज क्या पढ़ाएंगी, तो मैं आपसे कहूँ to और at और कोई भी मैं वर्ड ऐसा आपको बोल दूंगी, you don't understand that what I'm trying to say unless I will add the word after the at or to or in or on or off. So this would be the harf where it has no sense without connecting with another word. उसके बाद then we can come on fail. What is fail? Fail is all about the time. It is all about the time. If we want to understand the fail, we need to see that fail has the time, like either it would be present, either it would be past or future. We need to understand that whatever the sentence is there a time mentioned or not? So we can easily understand that this is the fail or verb. Okay? Yeah, we already did all of these things basically, but the thing is that कि इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि हमें सिर्फ ये तीन या इसम होता है अरबिक में, या फेल होता है, या हर्फ होता है. अगर हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इसमें डेवलप हो जाती है, so we can easily understand and we can easily do the things. All right? Like for instance, in ism, अब हम इसम पे आते हैं. फेल पे पहले मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि फेल पे जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर मैं कहती हूँ आई एम स्लीपिंग, इज इट अ फेल?
Yes, it is.
यस, परफेक्ट. अच्छा, मैं कहती हूँ आई विल गो, इज इट अ फेल?
We have.
व्हाट?
Yes, it is. It is true.
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली. बिकॉज आई एम स्लीपिंग में कौन सा फेल यूज हो रहा है? कौन सा टाइम, विच टाइम इज शोइंग?
Present.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड आई विल गो में
Future.
फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर शो हो रहा है, राइट? अब हम आ जाते हैं इसम पे.
Yes.
ठीक है, इसम पे आते हैं. अब आप इसम को देखें. हम यूजुअली कहते हैं इसम इज अ नाउन, but is ism we are not supposed to call noun, because in noun there are only name, place, thing, and that's it, and more whatever in English if we would say. But ism is not a noun, because in English if we call the noun has only name, place, thing, and that's it. But in Arabic, ism has all of those things which are not fail, which are not harf. All rest of the things are ism. Like for instance, we can say name, place, thing, adjectives, adverbs, and more things. So adjectives and adverbs are the parts of speech in English, and noun is a separate thing. So here we can call only ism. That ism has name, place, thing, adjectives, adverbs, more like other things. ठीक है, उसमें हमारे पास आइडियाज भी आ जाते हैं. हाँ, आई गॉट इट. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस हमने इसमें आइडियाज भी ऐड कर देते हैं. अब आइडियाज क्या होते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स हमें पता है. एनीबडी कैन टेल मी अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव्स? लाइक a blue car.
Describing, yes, a describing word or a
Yes,
noun.
a blue car. A blue car is
Blue.
ism. एक नीली कार. ठीक है, a blue car is adjective. Adverb is whatever is coming with the end of ly.
Supporting
Like for
verb.
instance, I can say uh, I would go for that it's lovingly. I did it. Passionately. It was it was sufficient. It was sufficiently happened. These are the adverbs. Now we can come to the ideas. What are the ideas? Do you have any idea about that? Yes. Can you tell me about? Like for instance, who will tell me I love sleeping? Is it the fail? What is the difference between
No, it's
these two
not.
sentences? I love sleeping and he was sleeping. Tell me the difference between these two.
पीछे वाले में टाइम है, ऊपर टाइम नहीं है. एक सेंटेंस है वो, एक बात है.
Exactly. This is the idea. I love sleeping. And he was sleeping. It is showing the time that it is past. Are you seeing that this might be creating the confusion that ing, it has the ing, so might be possible that it would be a present tense, but it would not. If you remember, we did the isme fa'il. Do you remember that? Like when we are talking about the idea, like I like reading. I like reading and I am reading. Both have them like it. They looks like similar, but they are not. One has the fail, one has not. Can you please tell me from both of the sentences where is the ism and where is the fail? I really want you guys to be interactive so we can know that we understand whatever we are learning. Yes, Naveen is with us and Sumaira. Can you tell me the difference between this reading and this reading? I like reading and I am reading. What is the difference between these two sentences? Yes,
It has time. The lower one and the above one has no time. It's a sentence.
exactly. This is an idea. Okay. So we can call it I like reading. I like reading. Here I am showing the idea that मुझे reading पसंद है. I like reading. But here I am reading. I am doing it. This is the action which is doing it in a present way. Here time is showing that in present this work is going on. So this is the minor difference we need to understand while we start learning about the Arabic. This is very important and very crucial. As we will have ending the session, so kindly join the another link. I will share it. Okay. All right. So move towards the next thing. Till here, any question so far, please ask. Then we will move on. Yes. Naveen, are you there? Yes. Do you have any questions so far or understood all of the things? Please do let me know. Acha, okay. Let me give you the examples. Who will tell me about that? Like slept. Um, wait. Um, ran, swimming, uh, watching. Okay. Now tell me today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Who will tell me the difference and what they are? कौन बताएगा मुझे? What is the slept?
Past tense of sleep.
Exactly.
Soya.
It's a fail or ism.
It's verb. Fail.
Or what?
Fail.
Noun. It's a verb, it's a fail, slept. How can we know that? It's showing that it's the something is going on in past. Slept, ran. Okay, in
It's
swimming,
also it
swimming
can
can
be a
be
noun or
idea.
it can be a verb.
With ing, it can be idea or it can be a fail. It depends on the sentence. When we see the sentence that if it is I am swimming, so it means work is going on in the present. But if the sentence would be I love swimming, so it would be an idea that might be ism, not verb. What about today, tomorrow, and yesterday?
Showing time.
It has the time.
It doesn't have the thing. It shows time. Like today is the
It's the
day
this is the
and
these are the
tomorrow.
names of days, right?
Hmm.
It's showing that today, tomorrow, yesterday. But is there any action going on during these words?
There is no action, but we have an idea. Like if
Exactly.
there is written yesterday, then it is talking about the day before.
Exactly. This
Like
is
it's
the
time. I जाता है.
yes, these are the ideas that it's today, it's tomorrow, and it's yesterday. This is it. We need to understand that what is ism and what is fa'il. We need to understand that how can we discriminate in between ism and fa'il. Like I told you, this would be very confusing when we start learning about the ism fa'il and fa'il. So we need to discriminate in between the words. Like I told you, I am reading is has a fa'il, but I like reading has not a fa'il. I like reading means it's an idea that I'm telling you, reading I like. Reading is ism here. So these kind of things should be remembered by us so we can easily understand how can we discriminate the things and how can we take these in like after taking and understanding these things, we can move on and easily recognize the things that how can we learn all of the things. So Naveen and Sumaira, can you please unmute yourself and let me know that you guys understood? So I can move on. Please do let me know. Yes, Sumaira? अच्छा, मुझे ये भी बता दें कि मैं आई एम यूजिंग बाइलिंगुअल, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इंग्लिश ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ। आप लोगों के लिए मुश्किल तो नहीं है? प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो। सुमेरा एंड नवीन,
No, no, miss.
इट्स ओके? यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड?
GG, miss. Perfectly fine.
ऑल राइट, ओके। सो यस, मुझे बताएं हमने क्या अभी डिस्कस किया है? यस, नवीन, आर यू देयर?
इसम फेल और हर्फ के बारे में हमने बात की है।
क्लैरिटी हो गई है?
जी जी।
ओके, सो मैं आई एम गोइंग टू disconnect this meeting as we have 4 to 5 minutes left. So join another meeting and come. We will move on, inshallah.